Hello everyone, it's Petko Alexandrov from Trading Academy, and today I will share with you what is my crypto portfolio spreadsheet that I use to track my crypto investments. I will share with you how you can use it, and as well I will share with you what I'm looking at and how exactly I use it to be easier for me to know where I am with my crypto investments. Okay, so today is 23rd of February 2021, and you can see on the top, let's start from here, last updated, it's 22nd of February 2021. Actually, I updated it today, but I'm taking as a market price the closing of the previous day. Okay, so no matter which platform you use, if you open a daily chart and you put the mouse on the closing of the bar, you will see what was the price, and this is what I use, okay, where the market closed yesterday. So today is 23rd, and I'm taking the values for the 22nd, or the value where the market closed. So the Bitcoin, for example, closed at 54,212. I usually round the numbers, just not going for the cents to make it faster. And then I have the Ethereum at 1,781, and then I have the Litecoin at 208, and so on. All right, so this is the market price. Now, in the first column, I have the assets: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. This is Stellar, I have Tezos, and then I have Bitcoin, Ethereum again, and Crocoin. So the last three are the assets that I've been staking at the moment, and I will explain that just right here when I reach to this point of the table. But simply I separate them from the assets that I'm not staking. Okay, the second column is with the wallet, so I know in which wallet I'm keeping this cryptocurrency. So since this is long-term investment, I keep them in my ledger. And here you can see that I have a drop-down menu where I have Ledger, Coinbase, Exodus, Crypto.com. And these are the wallets that I've been using. But if you want to add any other, for example, if you are using Kraken, all you need to do is after you click on the cell, you need to go to data, and you click on data validation, and here they are. This is the list. So what you need to do is simply add Kraken or the exchange you're using, and then click on save, and you will see it right over here. Okay, if I hit the drop menu, you will see Kraken. Okay, but I'm not using it, so I will remove it. But if you have just one wallet, then you don't need to have a list at all. But I would suggest you keep all of your cryptocurrencies in one wallet. All right, so in the third column, we have the purpose. I usually set it here for long-term, short-term, or staking. So long-term, I consider the cryptocurrencies that I usually hold for a couple of weeks, months, or even years. I'm not in a rush to sell them. Okay, so all of these are my long-term investments that I have at the moment, and below are the ones that I'm staking. I don't have currently short-term investments. Now, short-term I consider when I'm buying and selling, let's say in a few days or weeks, sometimes even in a few hours, but that I consider as trading, not investing. But at the moment, I don't have short-term investments. Simply all are sold. I have taken quick profits, and I don't have any short-term investments right now. Then I have coins, which is how much of each cryptocurrency I have. So I have 2 Ethereums at the moment, Litecoin 7.55, Bitcoin Cash 1.99, and so on. Entries is something interesting that is related to my strategy. So usually I don't buy cryptocurrencies straight away with all the money that I have prepared for the investment. I divide it by different pieces, and following different strategies, I would enter on the market a few times. Now for the Bitcoin, I have entered multiple times, okay? I have bought it multiple times. Then for the Ethereum, I have bought 2 times. So I keep it 2, and then you can choose from 3 or multiple if you have bought a few times. And then I have the average cost, or this is your average price. And this is very important to know what is your price at which, if the price goes below it, you are already on a loss, okay? So for the moment, my average price for the Bitcoin is $25,060, okay? And cost basis is how much I have spent for this 0.87. And as you can probably guess, this is calculated automatically by multiplying the average cost and the coins. So for this 0.87 coins, I have spent $21,802.20. Okay, so for the Ethereum, I have spent 2020. My average price is 1010, and my coins are 2. So cost basis 2020. Okay, then I have the market value, which is calculated by the market price and the coins, right? So the market price multiplied by the coins, and I get the market value. So like how much I have in dollars right now keeping this Bitcoin or the other cryptocurrencies that I have at the moment. Then I have gain. Obviously this will be the market value minus the cost that I paid, and in this case I have 25,362.24 as gain, and then I have the growth, which is already above 116.33. All right, so this is how I keep track of everything I buy and sell, and it's quite dynamic. Obviously the longer term assets stay a little bit longer into my sheet. The ones that change more often are the short-term investments. So every time I'm buying or I'm selling, I will notify you about that, and I will update the spreadsheet so you will know what I have at the moment. Then we have the currencies, the market price, I explained it. And now the staking, I will mention it very quickly over here. So the last 3 are the assets that I have been staking, and actually I set them to stake today because I was recording one of my courses. Actually, it's one of the first online staking crypto courses. So I demonstrated how I set staking on crypto.com. Actually, in this case, I used their earn option, and I have set to staking 0.05 Bitcoin, and then half Ethereum, and then 10,000 CRO to earn passive income. Then I have the frequency, like for how long time I'm locking these assets. So here I can choose flexible 1 month or 3 months. These are the options with crypto.com. And then I have the percentage, like what I will get in return. 4.5 with the Bitcoin for 3 months, 3.5 for Ethereum for 1 month, and 6% for keeping the CRO coin for 3 months. And then this is today, so I have set them to stake today. And payment date is when the staking period is over. And on this date, I will decide if I will compound it and stake again, or if I will sell, if I will add, and so on. And then I have the annual income, okay? So 6% annually from staking 10,000 CRO will give me at the end of the day 600 CRO coins as a passive income from staking these cryptocurrencies. Okay, so this is about staking. If you're planning to do staking, you can keep it on the table. If you're not, you can just delete all these columns right over here from M to R. Okay, and pretty much that's it. Now, whenever I update the table, I change the date and as well obviously the market price. As I've said, I'm taking usually the closing price of the day before. And if you want to do it every day for yourself, for your table, you can do that. It's very easy. Whenever you change a value, for example, if Ethereum drops to 1,600, you will see that the values here will change automatically because there are the formulas behind. And on the bottom I have the summary, like how much totally I have spent for the current investments that I have, what is the current market value, how much I have gained, and what is the growth that I have until the moment. Okay, so that's my spreadsheet. Probably I will be improving it with the time. If any changes, I will let you know, but this is the main idea. It's simply very useful for me to know how much I have, where I have it, what's the purpose of having it, what's the average cost, how much I have spent for it, and did I make money or did I lose money? Okay, and of course there are times when any of the assets will be on losses. This is where we need to be patient, and this is where I have different strategies to get better average price, to buy the dips, to follow the big trend, and to follow, of course, daily what's going on the market, so I can have positive results like what you see at the moment. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the spreadsheet, let me know, but don't forget, if you want to edit anything, if you want to use it for yourself, you need to go to File and make a copy. So when you make a copy of this spreadsheet, you will be able to edit everything and to make a table of your own. And of course, you can keep an eye on what I'm doing if this will be useful for you. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and I wish you have a great day. Cheers.